Experiencing issues activating your T-Mobile eSIM on your iPhone or Android device? It's a common problem, often indicated by the activation process getting stuck. This is frequently caused by software glitches, network issues, or errors during the initial setup. Here's how to resolve this issue. First, confirm you are running the latest OS version, iOS 17 or later for iPhone, or Android 13 or later for Android devices, and have the most current version of the T-Mobile app, version 8.540 or later. Begin with simple fixes like restarting your device, as this clears temporary caches. If the issue persists, check your network settings. Ensure you have a strong signal and are not roaming, as roaming conflicts can interfere with eSIM activation. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your eSIM activation issue, try resetting your network settings to clear any cached configurations that might be causing conflicts. For Android devices, navigate to the reset options in your system settings to reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth connections. You can also try using the T-Mobile app to deactivate your current eSIM profile and then reactivate it, which often refreshes the connection and resolves activation glitches. If these steps don't work and problems persist, contact T-Mobile support directly by calling *611 for a remote eSIM refresh that technicians can perform from their end. For future prevention of activation issues, always download the latest carrier updates for your device and avoid setting up your eSIM during peak network traffic hours when servers are most busy. Remember to confirm your device is unlocked and compatible with eSIM technology before attempting setup. Persistent activation issues could indicate hardware defects that require professional repair.